Automatically closing problem on Instagram. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix automatically closing problem on your Instagram easily and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now right here, as you can see, we'll find the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram like this. Now all what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on the first option right here, it's called force stop, and when you click on it, now you have to do only one thing. Go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the storage. Now go back, click on power usage details, click on force stop again here, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.